Any advice for someone looking to get started trading Forex?
Be ready for the long haul for sure, and then definitely find something that has a system without a doubt, because if not, it's going to take you a little bit longer to get things figured out without a doubt.
Do it. Just do it. Don't be afraid. Ask lots of questions. Find a group of people like ASFX that will help you along the way. Never do it by yourself, and just enjoy the ride.
Buy Austin's course, come to a seminar, and practice a lot.
I would say reach out with Austin Silver.
Education, education, education. Read, pay attention to everything that's going on around you. I mean, talk to people that know more than you. I mean, that's the biggest thing. Know what you don't know.
Get to know what you're doing. Learn the craft and master it. The only way to do that is with education and practice.